You see, this application over here will pay you $5 per day to tap and swipe your phone. This is what we do every day on our phones anyway, so you might as well get paid for it. Firstly, you're going to go and install it. I personally like to go about my day, go for a coffee, lunch with friends, or whatever I'm doing. And from time to time, I'll check my phone and collect my earnings. This application is really fantastic if you want to earn a little bit of passive income in the day. As you saw, it's not going to pay hundreds of dollars a day, but it will pay anywhere between $2 and $5 a day completely passive. If you watch until the end of the video with me, I'm going to give you 2 extra apps that you can run on your phone, so that way you can triple your results and triple your income. Now I want you to comment down below, what would you do throughout the day while you're earning passive income through your mobile device? Since you don't have to do any active work while making money with these apps, since it all runs passively and in auto mode on your phone, I'd love to see your comments down below to see what you would do in the day with this extra money. But just as a quick disclaimer, I recommend these apps should just be used for earning some extra money and not replace your full-time job, as these apps, like you saw, won't pay a sustainable income to live, but it will definitely pay an amazing extra side passive income for extra expenses, for entertainment, food, going out, for saving, or if you want to invest into a more sustainable business model like Facebook ads or affiliate marketing or drop servicing. You can do what you want with all of these extra earnings. But without further ado, let's hop onto the first app. So again, just to remind you, you don't need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in absolutely autonomous and passive mode. So you don't need to do any hard work. You install this app and it will generate earnings for you throughout the day, anywhere between 10 cents and $5 per day. How do you get paid? You can get paid via PayPal, that's cash via PayPal. Bank transfer, so if PayPal is not accepted in your country, you can just go and set the settings to direct to bank. Free talk time or prepaid charge, meaning you can get free airtime passively in autonomous mode on your mobile device. But before I continue, if you want to learn how to master the art of selling rare high-income skills and services, such as web development, mobile app development, coding, Facebook ads, digital marketing, social media marketing agencies, without actually doing that work yourself, and people will pay you hundreds to thousands of dollars, even sometimes up to tens of thousands of dollars per project that you do for them, and all you're going to go and do is outsource the work through experts and freelancers on freelance marketplaces such as Fiverr, and keep anywhere between 200% and 800% in your pocket. The only work you need to do is take 10 minutes out of your time, transfer the work from Fiverr to your client, and keep all this money in your pocket as the man in the middle. This is a very similar term to that of dropshipping, but instead of dropshipping physical and tangible goods and products, you are now dropshipping digital services and skills that require no shipping. So first of all, payments are faster, commissions is much bigger than that of dropshipping. Instead of making $1 or $10 per sale, you're now making hundreds of dollars of profit per sale that you make. This is what I do full-time off of YouTube, and I've created the entire 6-figure drop servicing university program, which is a video course in a private membership area with one-on-one video training with me that designs your successful drop servicing store for you. If you want to go and find out more about this and get this off at 85%, you can click on the first link in the description, and I'll see you over here on the 7-minute video which explains what's in this course, all my results, and all my students' results as well. So make sure to click on the first link in the description, and I'll see you over here. Continuing with the first application that will pay you passively. What can you get paid? The minimum redemption is USD $2 or $5 depending on where you're making money from and what type of rewards you choose. So you can get paid on this first app anywhere between $2 and $5 a day. But like I said, make sure to stick with me until the end so you can see these other 2 applications that will pay you 3 times at the same time. When you come over to the home screen of this application, there are 2 options. You can either download this app on the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone. If you have an Android phone such as Samsung or Huawei, you can go and click on get it on Google Play. It will take you straight to the Google Play Store and the download page where you can download this directly to your phone. And every time you pick your phone up, look at it, tap the screen or unlock or swipe the screen of your phone, you will get paid every time. Take a look at this. According to an August 2018 report that analyzes mobile unlocking behaviors, Gen Z smartphone users in the United States unlock their devices on average 79 times daily. Millennials ranked second, 63 times a day, while the silent generation had the lowest number of daily unlocks at 18 times per day. So if you are in the younger generation or the middle generation, unlocking your phone between 60 and 80 times a day, you're doing this anyway, so you might as well download this app and get paid for doing that anyway. However, the first application that I just showed you, I believe is not as good as the second one I'm about to show you. Take a look at this. This application will pay you for every minute of that time when you do nothing on your phone. All you need to do is install this application and you will collect points. Like this person over here is collecting points live for operating their phone. Whether they're sending WhatsApps, emails, calling, taking pictures, you name it, you will get paid using your phone passively. If I do the conversion, points are the virtual currency used by this application called Cash Magnet. 10 points is worth 1 cent. So that means $1 is worth 1,000 points. So in other words, this person is currently on 86,000 points. They have earned $86 so far using this application. Now it is important that I mention that this application Cash Magnet is only available on Android devices, but I did some research for you. If you have an iOS device or an iPhone, you can go and download the Android emulator for iOS, which is an application that lets you run Google's operating system on top of Apple devices, aka the iPhone or the iPad. The iAndroid simulator is one of the highest high quality Android emulator for iOS currently in the market for Apple devices such as iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch, meaning you can go and install this emulator and run Android apps on iPhone and still make money with this Android app Cash Magnet on your iOS device. You can scroll down to this page over here, click on download application for earnings at the Google Play Store. All these applications are completely free, you don't need to pay for them. Once you install this app, set it up, you can start to get paid for doing nothing on your phone. Most importantly, how do you get paid on this app? Firstly, there are 6 main ways you can get paid. Via PayPal Cash direct to your PayPal account, Amazon gift cards, Google Play Store, iTunes gift cards, PlayStation Store and the Xbox Store, where you can go and redeem, buy games or PlayStation games or Apple iOS music, Google Play apps, Amazon gift cards to purchase products on the Amazon Store, or PayPal if you want to withdraw this directly to cash in your local currency. And not only that, you can go and share this application with friends. So this is a 2-level referral system. You will receive 5% of the earnings for the person you invite and 5% of the earnings for the person whom your referral invited. So let's say there's me. I invite you to this app. I get 5% of all your earnings. And you also refer someone, I get 5% of your earnings and 5% of their earnings, which is now 10%. If you start an affiliate marketing program with this tool and you build an affiliate network, you can earn 5% of 500 people. That can end up being a lot of points and a lot of money, potentially hundreds of dollars a day. All you need to do is to mention to your referral, you can get paid earning money using your phone for doing nothing. Absolutely passive income. You do not need to perform any tasks, watch ads or play games or do surveys. Earnings will come in absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnets, you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our users are satisfied doing it. So what you can do is you can use money that you make from this app to save up for a second phone and run 2 devices using this application to double up your income. This application is completely safe. They guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. Is it free to use? Cash Magnet is completely free to use and always will be. There's no hidden fees or no hidden costs to sign up. Now I wanted to explain to you, while you've got Cash Magnet and this application Moo Cash over here running at the same time. So now you're making money passively with Cash Magnets, and at the same time you're making money with Moo Cash up to $5 a day just tapping and swiping your phone. You can come over to this third application over here called Rakuten, which is an application that you can download on your mobile phone and you can get cashbacks from some of the biggest brands in the world. For example, if you head over to Nike, or Nike as some of you would pronounce it, if you buy anything on their online store, whether it's tackies, branded shirts, you name it, you can get 8% cashback reward and withdraw that cash. If you head over to Freshly, you will get $20 cashback. So that's a once-off amount, $20 cashback on if you spend $30 or more. You can get paid to travel and take vacations. If I open up travel and vacations, take a look at this. If you book a trip on TripAdvisor, you can get $50 cashback with this application. If you go to airport rental cars, you can get 4% cashback on the car that you rent. If you go to Amari Hotels, you can get 2.5% cashback. Click on cruises over here and you can get cashback for taking cruises. So if you head over to Park Sleep Fly Cruises, which is obviously a cruise company, you will get 10% cashback. So if you spend $1,000 on a cruise ship vacation, you can get $100 back on your trip, which you can withdraw to cash and keep. That's not the best part. If you go around telling people about this new cashback app, you can go and get $30 for every person that you refer to Rakuten. Take a look at this. $30 for them, $30 for you. So you can go around, refer people to Rakuten, tell them that you're getting free cashbacks from food, shops, Adidas, cruises, vacations, sign them up through your affiliate link. Not only you'll get $30, but your referral will also get $30. So if you want to go out there and tell people, would you like to get a free $30 coupon with Rakuten, which is a cashback company, you can sign up completely for free and you'll get $30 as a sign up thank you bonus. So that's one thing I love about the affiliate program. It makes it super easy to go and refer people to Rakuten to get cashbacks on any of their vacations, the shops that they shop at, food shops, you name it. And over time, you can save a lot of money, literally buying items that you buy every single month anyway. So just to recap, the first application that you're going to go and download is MooCash. So you're going to come over to getmoocash.com. Secondly, you're going to come over to cashmagnetsapp.com, which both apps will pay you passively or for doing actions that you do anyway on your phone, such as swiping up or tapping. Thirdly, you're going to come over to Rakuten.com, install this application or the web browser application, and you can go and get discounts on all of these online stores over here, anywhere between 4 and 50% cashback or fixed amounts such as $20. Now quickly before I go, I want you to comment down below if you want to see more videos like these, where I talk more about iOS, Android apps and making money off your mobile phone. Comment down below. I know most of my videos require a PC, creating landing pages and more sophisticated business models, but if you want me to talk more about quick paper money that's not really sustainable but just to make an extra buck or two, comment down below. I'd love to see your feedback so that I can make content that you guys want to see. But on the screen over here, I'll start off by helping out and leave a PayPal money playlist over here with over 300 of my best videos on my YouTube channel that will teach you how to make PayPal money. So make sure to click on this playlist over here. It will help you make PayPal money on your phone, and I'll see you over there.